Hi, so, um, I'm making a desk. I got a few pieces of wood here. It's just scrap wood that's been around the house. Um, so I figured I can make just a custom desk for me because I'm moving my offices around, or not my offices. I'm moving my office from one room to another. Just kind of getting everything figured out, and I need a bigger desk. It's gonna be a piece like kind of connecting the two legs I have. One much like it. These center pieces right here, not only do they support the whole, but they're going to support the table, but they're also going to be the back part of the legs. Yeah, these are the back part legs, and then I'm making two more legs to stand in the front to support the front end of it. And then that long piece that I showed you is going to be connecting these two. And then, yeah, I'm going to go from there. Ghost. Anyway, you got one of the legs done. You gotta cut this one out. Good Lord. I wish I had a power saw. Now it's just now I just need to nail it all together, measure out the top. After I nail the braces, or pretty much the legs and everything, after I nail it together. Sorry, I don't know if you see my little cat down here. Yeah, now I just measure out the top, cut out a piece for the table, and then that should be it. Let's get this done. Yeah, this is the little office space I'm gonna be using. Okay, get the wooden side going to, gotta make some cheat holes so I can nail these pieces together. Okay, so I've got this much done so far, and get me a tabletop. Baby husky, hey girl. Anyway, yeah, so I'm gonna cut this 68 inches long, 28 inches wide. Got the top part cut. I got the length that I want cut. Right here I'm making a kind of an L shaped. I just got to cut out this little section right here. I don't know if you can see the marks. Yeah, you can see the little marks right there. So this little rectangle spot right here, I'm gonna cut it out. Oh, it's coming together. Finally got a circle saw, so I was able to cut that piece out. Pretty proud right now. Just really proud. Alright, before. Alright, there it is. And voila, it is done. It is done. The whole setup, mural, everything. Oh my God, this has took forever. That is definitely worth it. So, super proud of it. I'm gonna cut the video here. It's been a process, but I'm really happy with how everything turned out. Yeah, I'm gonna cut the video here. Check out my social media, check out my Instagram. I'm gonna post pictures of the rope lights around the room. I'm still not yet done with it, but that'll be another vlog for another time. Anyway, this has been part 1, I guess. Part 2 coming? Who knows? Anyway, thank you all so much for watching. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Their desk to oh hush. Yeah. Um, what are you doing, buddy? Ren. Yay. Ren. Come here, buddy. Mira, no. No, you're the last person that needs to be up here. Oh. Puppy.